everyone. Today I got the parcel from the GATEWALLAH Computer Science, CS and IT. So I purchased the Parakram batch for Computer Science and Engineering. So it was included in the Parakram to, Infinity batch. So we got two books of GATE PYQ. So I will now open it. So you can see very clearly. So it's the packing from the physics wala. It's quite solid packing. Do I have to show? So this is the bill. Yeah, now I will open it. These are very. So this is core subjects book, and this is for engineering, mathematics and general aptitude only. Now I will show you the index. Every subject is included here. You can see that engineering mathematics is here, digital logic is all is here, and every computer science subject is here. So you can see all that. So this is for mathematics and general aptitude. For mathematics, you can see all of the topics are written here.